Right, you legendary people, hello. So I'm going to put it all in frame so you can see it. Right, so I've got a Mach 8 Golf here, the fuel flap door, or the fuel flap, whatever you want to call it. The door that you open up to put fuel in your car, it don't open, all right? And it's not actuating. You'll probably guess why in a second. But this is the actuator, so I have ripped the back off it just to show you what's going on. So in the actual door, that would come in and out like a solenoid, and obviously twist and hold the door, hence flap actuator. It ain't working. There's no need to run any kind of test plans or anything like that. It's just not working. So if you look at the inside of it, it's not looking that good around the motor. And now this is a sealed unit, as you can see. It's taken some effort for me to get into that, but apparently not the water. The water's done well to get into there, and you can see it all around the bottom of the plastic. Look, you've got that horrible rust. That's what's failed, and that's obviously what needs to be replaced. That's big long spring, that all that. Yeah, hold it still. And get it to focus just that little bit. All that crap and that in the end. So it looks like it's been like letting water in for a bit, but that's what it needs. So we're going to stick a new one on this car and get rid of that horrible mess and get the fuel door opening again. So there's no more inconvenient, guys, than not being able to fuel up your petrol vehicle. Let me tell you that. So there it is. See what you think. Let me know if you've had any similar experiences to this in the comments. Like and share, of course. See you in the next one. Love you, bye.